Good afternoon, Year 8 remote learners. Today we'll be looking at the final lesson of the image editing unit. And for this lesson, you will need the lesson presentation, which is this over here, and you'll need these two images. To start off with, you're going to open up the PowerPoint, and you may be asked when you first open PowerPoint if you'd like to enable the content like I am asked over here. You just click on enable content because there are some embedded videos, and if you don't click on that, you won't be able to watch the videos. So for your silent starter activity, you're going to match up the keywords with the definitions. So if you felt that this keyword and this definition were matching, then you just move them around until you got them correct. Once you've finished that and you've had a go at that, you can go to the end of the PowerPoint and you can see over here the answers are there, so you can just reflect and correct yourselves if you got any of them wrong. So in today's lesson, we're going to be looking at manipulating the colors of an image, and then as it's the last lesson of the unit, we're going to finish off with a quiz. So task number 1 is you're going to watch this video. If the video doesn't load, you can copy and paste this URL into a browser. Then once you've watched the video, you're going to complete the activity that Mr. Skinner talks about, and then you're going to place a screenshot before and after on this particular slide. Task number 3, very similar to the previous task. You're going to watch this video where Mr. Skinner talks you through how you can change the color of an image by adjusting the hue and saturation. And again, on task number 4, you will do a screenshot before and after to show that you can adjust the color of an image. Once you've done that, you're going to take this quiz. Now you need to click here to take the quiz, but it won't work unless you're in presentation mode. So I'm going to jump into presentation mode over here, and then I click on the word here, and it takes me to the online form. Now for questions 1, 2, and 3, it asks you who is your regular computing teacher, what day is your lesson on, what period do you have your lesson on. You're just going to select I'm a remote learner, and then from question 4 onwards, you will then have a go at completing the quiz. Once you've finished the quiz and you've answered every question, at the bottom you click on the submit, and then you are done for this particular unit. The last slide over here just gives you the option to reflect and consider the things that you've learned in the unit so far. So you can just copy and paste either the green arrow or the red X and place them in the boxes next to each of the skills. So well done once you finish that unit, and it's the end of today's lesson. So you can save and upload your work. Make sure you sanitize your keyboards and your desk, and you can move on to your next lesson. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a lovely weekend.